Assalamu alaikum, class 7th. How are you students? Hope you all will be fine and will be enjoying your holidays in fun and in studying. Today we will read chapter number 8, A Nation's Strength. First of all, I will give you a little introduction about this poem. The theme of the poem is that it is not wealth which makes a nation great and strong. It is a man who does so. Such men who are brave, truthful, steadfast, and hardworking, building the foundation of a strong nation. Okay, students, now let's start reading of this poem. Not gold, but only men can make. सोना नहीं बल्कि सिर्फ आदमी ही बना सकता है a people great and strong. एक कौम को एक अजीम और ताकतवर. Men who for truth and honor sake, अफराद जो सच्चाई और इज़्ज़त की खातिर स्टैंड फास्ट खड़े रहते हैं एंड सफ़र लॉन्ग खड़े रहते हैं और मुश्किलें बर्दाश्त करते हैं. ब्रेव मैन हु वर्क वाइल अदर स्लीप, बहादुर लोग जो काम करते हैं जबकि दूसरे सो रहे होते हैं. हु डियर वाई अदर फ्लाइज, जो जुर्रत का मुजाहरा करते हैं. दे बिल्ड अ नेशन पिलर्स डीप, वो कौम के सतूनों को गहरा बनाते हैं. एंड लिफ्ट देम टू स्काई, और उनको आसमानों तक ले जाते हैं, यानी कि आसमान की बुलंदियों तक ले जाते हैं. दिस पोएम इज़ रिटन बाय राल्फ वाल्डो एमर्सन. And in this stanza, there are two stanzas in this poem. In the first stanza, the poet says that the brave men go on working while other people remain sleeping. They face the difficulties manfully while the cowards run in the fear. They build the pillars of nation deep and lift them to the sky. This was your second stanza, and in the first stanza, that no nation can be great due to its wealth. The members of nation who are truthful and have self-respect make their nation great. This poem is about the character of the man. In this poem, the poet says that this is not a wealth, but man makes a nation great and strong. Where there is no struggle, there is no strength. They do not care for their personal loss. They sacrifice their personal interest in largest interest of their nation. The strength of the nation lies in brave men who uphold the cause of honor and truth. Okay, students, you will read this poem 3 times and read the summary of this poem. First of all, underline the difficult words and follow the diary and worksheet. Okay, thank you, students.